we also need to plot a new chart. For that we click on line. Under the line we click on line chart here. So after I click on line chart, we are going to date added. For the date added, we are going to make use of so we click on this one here. For the line chart, we also want to brought up the line here. So click on the date added. So date added. So and inside the date added, we are going to make use of only month. Click on the date added, drop it to this part. So remove this one, title, then change the year, remove the year, quarters, and then the day. So it's only the month we need. So and if you already brought the month down, so let's build our feature with that. Then with this one now that we have here, so for you to do the design, for you to just come to color there, then you change the x-axis to change this one to red bit. So now let's come down. For the text, we change the text to red. So and then we also want to make what do you call it, our chart to have a color. The lines to becomes the lines solid already, so and it's round. So let's change the color to red. So we have our features. Then the next step we are going to do, we want to create another features again. That will be map. So let me copy this, paste it there. So and before I copy it, actually I will write the title for this. So how can we title it? Click on this part. So for this one here, title is not visible yet, so I want to write again. So you click on this general, then let's title it rating overview. Yeah, so let's decrease a bit so that it can be seen. So I think because it's too big, so we have it title overview, then it's coming up. Oh, it's not coming up. Let me on the spotlight. So we have this one here, rating title overview. So I want us to be seeing it here. So under the headings. So now we have this. Let me go back here, change it to the font to normal font of other one too. So it's going to be Segu. So and this one too is going to be Segu too as well. And because it's in dim, that's why it not show up. So we have this one too. All of them are coming up now. So for this one, let's change the title to as well to normal name that's supposed to be. So we're gonna name it title over time. That'll be title over time. So that's it. So now let's copy this, paste it here too. Then the last one is going to be 5 top country. So which we are going to title it 5 top country. 5 top country. 5 top country by continent. Okay, by content I mean. So for this one, so we are going to make use of map chart. So you click on the map here. After I click on the map, so now we are going to remove this. So we're going to make use of location. Under this country, you carry country to location. Then after you carry the country to locations, so for the x-axis we're going to make use of title beyond the legend. So now we have the country has been revealed now. So this is the map here. So and if I extend it, very well, you are going to see it clearly. So this is the map of the 5 country, of the 10 country. So it has revealed every one of them one by one. So this is how to build this. Then the next one is going to add the slicer to your dashboard. Come here, click on the slicer. So and for this, you want to build this one to funnel, you can add it up, but I already built in a portable way so that you can see everything clearly. So now after you are done with this one, now let's add the slicer to our dashboard. Click on slicer here. So your slicer is going to come up here. So let's drag it a bit down to this part, carry it down a bit. So and then our slicer is here already. So for us to get actual picture that you need, so let's get the picture of the title, the durations. Let me look for the durations first. So this is the durations. So I want to get the country. So this for the country, for each country. So I will have their country list is much. So I want us to get the country of each every one of them. So and for us to get this now, I want us to also country each every one of them. This is the country. We have Brazil, we have Indian, and so on and so forth. So inside your slicer, come here, come and change the slicer settings. Maybe you want to be vertical, you want it to be horizontal, you want it to be drop down, anyone you want. So you can do that. So let me use drop down. So you see the drop down. So you want it to be vertical list. So this is for the vertical list. So now let's change the slicer headings to something okay. So let's change to red. So and then make it bold, increase the font a bit, then in the center. So now for the border, we want the border to be also red. So now after that we also want the slicer settings. Under the slicer settings, so I already changed the font actually. So I already changed the remain background. Let's change the background to red too as well for this one. Then let's come to general. Not the general, icon effect. So change the background to red, everything. So that's it. So now after you are done with this, place your slicer here. I think the name is not visible, the one I want. So let's change the text to white and make it bold and increase the font. So now we have that. So and for the border too, let's change it to white. So I want us to have the border to be white too as well, so that it can be visible. And for the background, I want it to be white too as well, so that it can be visible. And then let me change the values that are black to white too as well. So I'll make it bold. Let me increase the font so that it can be visible. So now the borders background too, you have it to be white. Okay, so that's white already. So and then the normal background should be white. So for this one, okay, let me use black for that. So if you want it to be black, it's going to come up like this. So let me use white font, So then change the color font to be black. So now, and for the text too, go to the font text black. So that's all. And when we click on any of these slicer too, it's going to pop up for you. So you see, it's displaying the only the place you click on. So, and if you want to generate another slicer, come back here, click on new slicer too as well. I think this one is not open, it's not revealing what I want, like the title. Okay, slicer header, let me move slicer header. The values. Okay, let me go down a bit. We have the border. Okay, the border is here. So the background too. Now the next thing we are going to do is this. We go to the text on it. So under the title here, body too as well. Then we add the background to red. So that's all. Make it centered. Now we are done with this. I want to add another slicer too. That will be at the background here. So let me click on another slicer. Another slicer should be here. So this one is going to be around there. So let me just drag it a bit, then click on the added date. So we have the added date too as well on the slicer. So, and that's all. So you can see this one is very visible now. So you click on the top like this, I'm going to write it for you. So that's it. And for this one too, let me copy and paste it to come down here, added date. So click on the added date. Let me delete the background, this one here, I don't need it. Let me remove it. Now carry this one, place it here on your dashboard. Let's use it for the added date. Then remove country, it's added date. So now after you are done with this, go to insert, go and carry the image. So import the image. The image for the company. So after import the image, then let it come down to this part. After you are done with that, make it bold a bit and be centered. So that's all we have for our dashboard like this. Please, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this. God bless you. I really appreciate your encouragement for watching to this time. So God bless you. Thank you so much for watching us. Thank you. You are welcome. So let me stop. So for today, let me stop for today.